everybody, Caitlyn Shea MUA here. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. It's going to be my March favorites. If you like favorite videos and like watching my videos, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, hit that button, go do it. And why do I need a long intro? It's favorites. March favorites. I cannot believe we're going into April. Let's just get into it. I have a list here. You can't tell because of the, I have a list to go off of because, you know me, I'll just ramble. And like I said before, why is this intro so long? Let's just get into the favorites. So my first favorite of the month has been my everyday makeup, which I have a whole video on. I can link that in the cards and link it down below. I just been loving the natural makeup, which is weird for me because you guys know me. I can do a dramatic eye at any time of day. Like the winged eyeliner. I haven't done winged eyeliner. I've only done it once, I think, when I went out for a friend's birthday. I love the simple makeup. Some of my big favorites have been, like for my everyday makeup routine, have been my moisturizer. This moisturizer is from Spa Cosmetics. I tried to find it on their website. It's not there. Sorry, but you're gonna have to, like, if you want to try this, you're gonna have to try to look at your Marshalls or TJ Maxx. It's just so thick and it's a day cream, but it's a extra rich enhanced formula. It's just when you put it on, you know your face is going to be moisturized. It just feels good on the skin, and with the colder months it really has helped my skin, which I've never had a problem with dry skin or anything, so this winter has been a killer for my skin, so this has helped me. Another thing that I've been going back to for my makeup routine is the Sweet Peach palette. It does have like the browns and everything. You guys know I use this in my everyday makeup routine. I just love the browns and all that. I just been reaching for it every day, and it's over a year, year and a half, 2 years old. Still smells like peaches. Good job, Too Faced. Two more favorites. Yeah. And the makeup have been the CoverGirl colors. This one is in Current Nude. I recently posted a picture on Instagram. I can have it on the screen somewhere, that I use this, and I absolutely love it. In my current makeup routine, I use the Ballerina. And of course, you guys have guessed it, the Fenty Gloss. I'm putting some on right now. I love it so much. I know that I'm like almost halfway done because the highlighter's almost gone. Jesus, you should see, it's bad. But it smells amazing. And looks good on every skin tone, and you can just put this on instead of putting on a liquid lipstick. Just put this on and it makes your lips look fabulous. Another beauty item kind of goes with it. I just put this in my collective haul, which I'll have in the cards somewhere. This sponge by Real Technique. This thing is amazing for foundation. You put it all over your face and then it basically spreads it out for you. Like, this has saved my makeup routine like maybe 3 or 4 minutes, but still that's a long time for doing your makeup in the morning, and it's amazing for going in the under eyes. This part of it has helped, and it's just, I got mine at Marshalls for $5.99. If you can find it, go get it. I got some extras today, so that's how much I love it. Still in like the beauty category, sort of. This has been my current scent. This is the Victoria's Secret True Escape. It just smells like you're on vacation. I don't know why, maybe because it says True Escape. I got this a long time ago. I can try to link it down below. I can try to find it for you guys. It's just throwing it back to like middle school, using these like every day. I watched a YouTube video, I forget who it was, but I didn't want to go to the salon to get acrylic nails, and you guys know that I love my fake nails. So I watched this girl, and she was like, these last like a week, week and a half, 2 weeks. So I went out and got this set. of fake nails. Yes, they look scary. I will link them down below. They're by Kiss. They look so scary. This is obviously not one that would fit on my finger, but they're like the long ones, and you just put it on and you customize it, and you can put it in any shape you want, and they do feel really sturdy. I put these on 2 days ago, I think, and they look like I got them done at the salon. And half the price. The color that I've been loving is by OPI, and it is You Don't Know Jacques. It is the color that I have on my nails right now. If I can find it, I can link it down below. Again, like seriously, Dunkin' Donuts should sponsor me. Just saying. So recently I've been into changing up my phone case. I can do like a phone case called like collection if you want. I don't even know if people do that anymore, but I'm glad. I will be gladly to do that. Be glad to do that. Can I speak? No. The one that I got recently is this one. It's been on my Instagram. This is the one that I got from my friend Laurie when she gave me the gift card for my birthday. Got this from Marshall's by Winx. Just has like a palm tree on it, and I didn't show it in the haul, but I wanted to show it to you now. Very springy. Another one that I've been loving, I got this clear one from Marshall's, but also been into the pop sockets. This little, like the marble one did not come with the white, and I realized you can take this off and switch it. I did have a lip one for like obviously being a makeup artist, so sometimes if I want to like, sometimes I just put this one in my purse, and after taking pictures I'll take off the phone case, put this on so it's a steadier hand, which is weird. Sometimes I carry multiple cases in my bag, and I've been really into the wildflower cases. This is the one that I have on my phone right now. I absolutely love it. And then this is another one, and I've been a very loyal customer. Like, I'm trying to think how long. I think I've been getting their cases. Was I in college? I have been a very loyal fan to Wildflower, and I have another one, but I haven't been using that one lately. So this has been like my go-to because it just screams summer, and I think I got this last summer, so very loyal fan to Wildflower. Can I just say that again? I love you, Wildflower. I love you to send me cases, PR packages. Just saying. Stop being weird, Caitlyn. I'm trying to think. We'll go into the fashion, sort of, now. So recently I have been into wearing like a lot of like random jewelry. So right now I have these bracelets on. I think I got them from Ann Taylor, these ones, because they had a marble one. And then I have the, what is this? Star of Venus little Alex and Ani. I can put like the picture up. And my mom just got me this one from Kate Spade. It kind of looks like the famous expensive one, so I was like, yeah, Cartier? I don't know. And I've been really into stone rings. So this one is a rose quartz that I got from Kohl's. This has substituted the clattering that I had on for like 4 months, and it left a mark, so I didn't want to see that mark anymore, so I got this, and I love this even better. And then I got this one, regular like clear quartz from Target. I don't know if it's real, but I've been loving that. Next, I showed one of these in my recent haul, which I will put up above. These are sunglasses from Target. I absolutely love these. And then recently I just got a blue pair, so I am set for the summer. I just love them. Love them. And second to last-ish fashion favorite have been velvet headbands. I got this one from Burlington Coat Factory, and then These two are from Target. If I'm really lazy, I just wash my hair, put my hair in a bun, and then straighten my bangs, and I just feel like this looks more put together than just my hair being all crazy. So these things have been a lifesaver. Current bag favorite, fashion favorite has been the one that I just hauled. Yes, I know I just got this, but this thing, I just been like displaying it in my room, and I'm just like, I just absolutely love it. And it's already like has stuff in it, and it fits a lot. I wanted to change it up, and I just absolutely love it. It's just like the perfect travel bag. So yeah. The last favorites are my planner. This is, like I said, by May Designs, but you can interchange these. You can take these little like booklets out, and I bought the planner, which came with two plannings, and then I bought two that came together like in a 2-pack, a note one. So this has been in my life, and it's pink and girly. I just love it. This has just been my life because of my last favorite. Been juggling many things in my life, YouTube being one of them. So YouTube goes in here, life goes in here, FIT or FIT or Fashion Institute of Technology Beauty Industry Essentials course. I've been absolutely loving it, and when I go out to actually do work, I use this bag, which has been another favorite. This is from Target. I got it for $8. This bag I just put all the stuff for my class in here. So I've been using my iPad for it, and going back to the student life, writing notes for it, it just made me so happy to write notes again. I don't know, it's making me rethink what I want to do in the beauty industry. I want to do YouTube, but also something else beauty related. I love being a makeup artist, don't get me wrong. The beauty course has dug in more into the beauty industry, more than what I took for my makeup certification. So yeah, I can do a whole video on that. If you want me to do that, just comment down below. And two last favorites. I've been really into listening my spring playlist, which is called Spring Flowers and Dreams Come True. I can try to link my Spotify below. I don't know if I'll be able to do that. Current songs, Harry Styles, The Kooks, Lady Gaga, Lily Allen, McFly, Miley Cyrus, Lana Del Rey, and then random songs, a few songs from La La Land. Just been really into those lately. They kind of get me into the spring mood just a little bit. And the last and final favorite, there's a new show called The Alienist, which has Luke Evans, who was in Beauty and the Beast. He was guest on, and when I heard that he was going to be in a new TV show, I was like, I'll just see what's it about, and got obsessed. And the last episode is tonight, which is Monday, and we don't know if it's going to come back for a second season because it was a limited series. And I'm part of a fan group on Facebook, and people are like, oh my god, the last episode, oh no, we're gonna do it myself. And we were all saying that Mondays, that was the best part of Mondays, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. So there is my honey bunny, Luke Evans, taking place in, I want to say the 1800s. Well, let me just explain what the Alienist is. An alienist is a person who studies mental illnesses, not depression or anxiety and all that, physical, very, very mentally ill people. The whole show starts as a little boy gets killed, and back then little boys used to dress up as girls, and they were kind of prostitutes for these crazy old men. In the beginning I thought that was foul and disgusting, but then it just the first episode, I was just like, this is disgusting, but also really, really intriguing, and it's like also like a crime show. And one of the little boys, he gets killed, and John Moore, who is an illustrator for the New York Times, gets called to draw the body because obviously they didn't have photographs back then, or cameras back then. And the little boy, he like, body parts were taken off, eyeballs were taken out, and it starts from there. They're like, what the heck's going on? Why would someone murder this child? I think he was found on the Brooklyn Bridge. Another one was murdered, and then it just keeps going, and then they have 2 detectives come in. I think the show is going to be on Netflix in April, so yeah. We're at the last episode, and we find out who the person is, and one of the little boys who John has taken like a loving, kind of like a father role for him. The little boy is missing, and I am not ready for this show to be over. If you have on demand, it's on the channel TNT. It's called The Alienist. I think it's a fantastic show. If you like murder mysteries and you like old time movies and shows like that, you will love this. If you're into creepy ass stuff, you will love this show. Even if you don't, I'm sorry. Just saying. That's like the one TV show that I've been really, really into lately, and I'm so sad it's gonna be over, and obviously I'm gonna start the whole season over again. That has been my March favorites. So if you liked this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, which is basically the same thing. Hit that subscribe button, go do it. Follow my socials, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.